Hey everybody, Chris here from IPD, and it's that time of year, and we're gearing up for garage sale. Come on, let's go. Here on IPD Shop, it's that time of year, it's garage sale. We're preparing to see you. We've partnered with Nursingale, our local nonprofit that we've partnered with for the last 5 years. For those of you that have been here before, you know all about Nursingale. For those of you that haven't, please visit our blog at ipdusa.com. You can click on the garage sale blog. There you will find a ton of information about our event, and we're going to cover a little bit of that right now. But here we're on IPD Shop. It's a little gloomy outside here in Portland, Oregon, but let's go outside and I'll let you know what we're going to do to gear up for garage sale. It is spring here in Portland, Oregon, and spring in Portland means we get a lot of rain. But in May, we're hoping for great weather, and we hope that you get your Volvo out of the garage and bring it to our event. It is one of the West Coast premier Volvo gatherings, so we look forward to having you. Everything on that day is on sale, and again, everything that takes place here at garage sale is a benefit for Nursingale. We are raising money, raising awareness to support Nursingale. You can check them out at nursingale.org or visit our blog like I mentioned earlier. Here on our main lot is where the main car show is going to take place. I've been getting a lot of emails from customers wanting to know what the difference is between the show and shine and the main lot. Here in the main lot, we have about 46 to 55 cars that we can fit in here. If you're interested in showing off your unique Volvo, we're looking for the cream of the crop. We're looking for cars that are more unique, different than your regular Volvo. You can go ahead and email myself, which is Chris, C-H-R-I-S, at ipdusa.com. I will let you know what cars we're looking for and whether or not we have a slot available for you. We're looking for cars now, so please email me and we can have your car here on the lot on May 18th. Garage sale is on May 18th, so if you're not doing anything, we urge you to get out of the house, get your Volvo here, attend the event. It's wonderful. We've got our main car show, swap meet, the show and shine section. We got our sales event happening. We've got games going on all day, music being played, a lot of really great activities to really raise awareness and money for Nursingale. So behind me, we got Jim Fisher on board this year. Jim Fisher will be displaying a couple cars from their new car dealership. Jim Fisher is a premier new Volvo dealer here in Portland, Oregon. Thank you for joining us, Jim Fisher. We've also got Glue-On. You guys may have seen their name before all over our website. We've partnered with Glue-On to come out with a few automotive technical devices. Glue-On's got a lot of really neat things happening, so we're glad that they care about Nursingale and what we're trying to do up here in Portland, Oregon, so thank you, Glue-On. We also have Mission Trading Company. Mission Trading Company is an automotive manufacturer in the aftermarket. They also are a supplier for a lot of OE as well. We're glad to have them. They're really passionate about Nursingale, helping them, raising money for them, so it's awesome to have Mission Trading on board this year. We've also got Dealer Nordic. Dealer Nordic is a used Volvo car specialist here in Portland, Oregon. They sell pre-owned Volvos, and they've always been a part of our event. They love to bring out a few cars. The owners of Dealer Nordic and their sales associates will be out here to talk to you about their vehicles and what they do. They're also very passionate about helping us raise awareness for Nursingale, so it's great to have them. We have Mala. Mala is a name that you'll recognize. Mala is an OEM manufacturer for parts that go on cars. A lot of stuff that you've seen like oil filters, air filters, things like that. We've got a great relationship with them. We sell a lot of aftermarket parts from Mala. We've got a great relationship with their local vendor here in Portland, Oregon. He will be here at the event, ready to talk to you about any product that you might want to go over with them or discuss. So thank you, Mala, for jumping on board. Last but not least, our premier sponsor this year is Bosch. So if you weren't around for the event last year, Bosch was the premier sponsor. They had so much fun with their reps that were out here. Bosch is a fantastic name to have on that. So we're excited that they wanted to come back, that they're partnering with us to help raise money, raise awareness, and support Nursingale. So thank you, Bosch, for jumping on board, and we'll go from there. Let's head over and I'll show you guys where the swap meet and the show and shine is going to take place. All right, everybody, we're across the street from IPD. Our event has grown to the point to where now we have to work and partner with our neighboring businesses to utilize their parking lots. So for those of you who have never attended and want to show up this year, right behind me is where the show and shine and the swap meet take place. If you're interested in joining the show and shine and the swap meet, you can contact any of our customer service agents about the swap meet. We do sell spaces individually so that way you can bring parts, set up camp, and sell those parts here in our swap meet section. If you're interested about the show and shine, all you got to do is show up in the morning, I suggest you get here early between 7:45 and 8 a.m. We'll open up the gates to the lot at 8 a.m. in the morning. It's first come, first serve, and it's $5, which goes directly to Nursingale, so it's fantastic. If you're not going to be in the main lot or haven't been chosen to be in the main lot, we still want your Volvo to be seen, and we want you to come down and show that thing off. So make sure and get here early, pay the $5 or more, it's a donation, and get inside this lot here where your Volvo will be on display. We're excited to have you here. All right, I want to thank everybody who has attended the garage sale in the past and everybody who's thinking about coming. We've set up a blog on our website at ipdusa.com that's specific to garage sale. So if you have any questions about the surrounding accommodations, about what the event looks like, about how to attend or what you can do to contribute, it's all there. And our staff, as always, is ready to answer any questions that you have because we would love to have you join this wonderful event. It's truly turned into one of the Northwest premier Volvo gatherings and charity events. It's one of the largest West Coast gatherings that we've attended, so let's make it a great year. We're going to continue to throw more information up on the blog, so this isn't the last video you're going to see. We're going to keep mentioning new sponsors that are jumping on board, so stay tuned to the blog, check your emails, because our marketing department and social media channels are going to be really pumping garage sale over the next month. It's coming up on May 18th, 2019 on a Saturday. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.